We are going to look at creating hyperlinks. A link or a hyperlink is a connection from one web resource to another. For example, read more, clicking on another picture to view something, as we are going to look at it. Let me begin by an example, because you've used links before. Let me put a link of read more, like read more. I save, Control S, I refresh. So this word read more is not yet linked. So when I put a link, somebody will have to click on this word to take you to that particular page, details of more. So I put two tags. I enclose the link between two tags. They are called anchor tags, the opening and the closing. So then I put attributes, like for example the image, will put image source. For the hyperlink, it is called hyperreference, href, hyperreference. So what do you want to open? Let me say when you click read more, it takes you to www.google.com. So I save, as simple as that. So I refresh. Now you see it has become blue. An unvisited link is blue. A visited link is purple. A link that doesn't take you anywhere is red. So this is blue. So when I click on it, it takes me to Google. So that's a link. You can link anything. I can link my picture. I enclose it in anchor tags. So like what would I want to go to? When I click the picture, I put it in quotes. Where do you want me to go? Let me say, if I click on this image, it should take me to YouTube. This is the address of YouTube. Yes. So I save. When you point to a link, it brings a hand, this and that. You see the hand there. So when I click, ta-da, it takes me to YouTube. So I've linked my picture to YouTube now. Let me go back. Okay, so you can link to anything. Now in a real website, you won't have only one page like you're seeing. You will have many pages in the website. So you have to link to those pages. For example, let me link to, let me put it here above the line, about us, contact us, gallery. I save, I refresh. So let me even put something to separate them, a piped symbol, just for decoration. I save. See, so now they look like a menu. They look more of like a menu, but they are not linked. So for example, if I link this to a page called about, let me say it goes to the page called about. So I save, I refresh. Now you see it becomes blue. When I click on it, it takes me to a page called about, because that page doesn't exist in our address. So that's why. So let me create the page. Let me copy this same code and change it slightly. I change it slightly. For example, let me remove the photo. Supposing this is our about us, I save it in the same location on the desktop in my case. Now I have two pages. I have index and about. So now when I'm in the index page and I click about, it will take me to that page. So you can create gallery, you put many photos the same way you saved the index. Okay, now when I come to index, I have to link it to the gallery. Yes, so we have about, it's linked, then also gallery. That word gallery should also be linked. So when I come, so you see gallery is also linked. So when I click, they take me to a page. The photos are all the same. Let me put some different pictures. Let me get some images like this. Saving some images. So when I come in my gallery, I give them, one is called, one of the image names is 1, the other image name is 2.jpg, the other is 3. So that kind of thing. So when I come back to my gallery and refresh, you see the images have changed. Now when I click on the link, it takes me to that particular page. Like you see, in this case I'm on gallery, but in gallery these words are not yet linked. So I can go to gallery and put a link on them as well. Like that. So you see gallery is also linked, and index is linked properly, then about is not linked properly. So gallery. So the links should be the same throughout your website, otherwise people will click and the link is not taking them anywhere. So even contact is not linked, gallery is linked. This is supposed to be index in gallery. It's supposed to be index. Okay, so there's another link here taking us home. It should be taking us to index. So I copy the same link. Yes, so I do the same in all pages. Yes, in all pages. That is, so you see how the thing is flowing. We are not looking at how to make a menu, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking at how to create hyperlinks. This one we said is taking to Google, so I linked it to Google. Thank you. Okay, so you can also create a link to download. For example, let me put it here. This time you don't link it to a website, you link it to anything, any file, like a song. For example, let me get a song. Let's put everything in one place. So I put everything on my desktop. So let me rename the song to a shorter name like jlo.mp3. So like when I come here, which page has the download link? It's about. Okay, I go to about and I click download. So it is playing. It is playing the song. But what if you want to download? So that behavior depends on the browser. Even if it's a video, like for example, what kind of video? I go to the properties, it's MKV. Okay, so here in about, what if I say rk.mkv and I click download? You see, now it does want to download. So some files might want to download, others, if the browser can open it and play the file, then it will open it instead of downloading it. Good. Sometimes you want the link to open in a new tab, and I say that link of read more target equals new. So target new and target blank are the same. They are the same. So if it opens, you see it has opened in a new. So you can say target new or target blank with this underscore first. So it does the same thing. Okay,